In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Hogwarts Legacy on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Hogwarts Legacy to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you to the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. Then just click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of these payment methods. Simply enter your card number, the expiration date and the security code, followed by your billing information. You can also save this for later use by clicking on the checkbox. Finally, click on Continue to finalize your payment. And once the transaction is complete, the game will be added to your library. After this, you can just choose your install location to begin the download and installation of the game. Once this process is completed, you can start enjoying the Hogwarts Legacy game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Hogwarts Legacy on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.